And you are looking at a small portion of our archival collection.
John Grabowski leads us to the shelves of the Western Reserve Historical Society. Cleveland's history dating back to the mid-1800s.
Regimental papers of the Civil War.
When his predecessor, David Van Tassel, proposed an Encyclopedia of Cleveland History in 1980, it took 7 years to whittle 200 years of Cleveland stories into a book.
That was the first modern American urban history in encyclopedic format. We came out before New York did.
The online edition of the Encyclopedia of Cleveland History was a pioneer as well. 4,400 entries, plus images. The Cuyahoga River in 1870, film of the Great Lakes Exposition. You'll find people here, but you won't find LeBron James.
For individuals to be included, they have to be deceased.
A timeline showing Cleveland's population of 7 in 1800 to a booming 900,000 in 1950. In this digital world, the site, maintained by the Western Reserve Historical Society and Case Western Reserve University, requires continual updating.
It's like painting the Golden Gate Bridge. You start at one end and then you finish it and you start all over again.
Mention Wikipedia to John and he'll tell you he has something it doesn't. The original documents to verify information.
So if you're looking at Moses Cleveland's papers, they're here.
Not surprising, the letter C has the most entries. Also not surprising, the topic that generates the most interest.
We pay a lot of attention to sports articles because that's where a lot of public interest is.
On your side in Cleveland, Tom Livingston, News, Channel 5.